Hello, my name is Ivana, and today I have a little junk journal to share. It was made for my son. He said he wanted something for himself to write down his thoughts, or perhaps to write a song, or I don't know, whatever he wants. So I've decided to use a tutorial by Artie Mays, where she shows how to create this sort of a leathery or old leather effect. So it was made from an yellow envelope, and it's only one signature. It's a small little thing, like a notebook. And I didn't even use the distress inks that she used because I don't have any, but even the acrylic paint was great. And then I covered it all with like Mod Podge, but mine is called Art Podge, I think, like a decoupage kind of glue. So it's got 3 holes, and it's the easiest kind for me. I really like this. So it has a good, it feels good, and he likes it. It's kind of manly, or for a boy. So I've used browns, blues, some greens, and also orange, because I think he likes bright colors. You can only see one hand today because I'm leaning on my other one because I don't have my desk today, so I'm doing this on my bed. Okay, so here we go. So these are little papers I ordered a long time ago on eBay, and it's all about, scrapbooking papers for boys, so to say. So I've used them. I've also tea dyed and onion dyed a lot of papers that I've used inside. So this one says, I have decided to follow Jesus. Because that's an event in his life that's very important, and it's a recent event. Okay, so there's a pocket there, something to write on here, and another pocket with a little "you're all kinds of awesome" message, but he can use that and write on that and whatever. Okay, these papers, some of the papers are freebies by Artie Mays, but some I bought from Tracy Fox, the Love Junk Journals place. This is a freebie by Artie Mays, and I like the colors because they went well with the boy theme. And there's lines so he can write there. This is onion dyed, and I think it looks just beautiful. Okay, some messages like random boy facts. I really like this about this little set. I'm always hungry or tired or both. So this boy of mine is 16, but some of these things still apply to him. I also used some steampunk things because I thought that's kind of like I don't know, it reminded me of my son. So there's a pocket there. You can tell a lot about a boy from his kicks, from his sneakers. So that's there. With these brands. Here's a place for him where he can stash some hidden thoughts, some hidden things. This is also by Artie Mays, like a steampunky theme. Just something to journal on, to write on. Yeah, some ledger paper. These are old stamps that I have, and I've used this for his birthdays, when he was, I don't know, 6 or 7. So it's a good feeling to use it now when he's, growing older, and he even has a desire to have a journal. So it's a special thing. I've put only 3 of these little thingies, but I think they look nice together. I've downloaded this from Pixabay, and it's a steampunky theme. And And I like this blue. I love that blue. Some music paper from an old textbook, musical textbook. Some more of Artie Mae's stuff. Marble paper. This too. Just to give it some fun. Here's another one of those stamps. This is the name of my son. His name is Jacob, but we say Yakov. So it's Yakov. I've just put some things so he's not afraid to use it, you know. This is by Victoria Designs, and I got this in an older botanical pack. Victoria Designs now has a beautiful new botanical pack, but this is from an older one, or garden journal, something like that. Some stamping, a pocket where he can put some of the stuff I've put in there, you know. I've splashed some onionized water. Another image from Pixabay, and this the stamping, and this is also Victoria Designs. My son really liked this image, and I love it. It's very cool. It's kind of dark. You know, like all of steampunk has a dark component to it, but it's also fun and, I don't know, manly, but not in a way like girls can't like it. But there's something masculine about it to me. Okay, now we're on the other side. Here we have a little tuck spot and an envelope I made for him. This is also from the stamp set from his childhood, On the Move. Some stamping. This is from my old French grammar. I just think anything French seems cool and interesting. So he can write around, or he can put a photo. I think that would also look good there. Another little pocket with a tag. This also opens up. Just a little collage for him to put something on. You are the coolest. File this under awesome. I like these. All of them are kind of fun. Some tuck spots, some music paper. He loves to play his guitar. He's a good musician and a singer. That other paper. I like how this turned out. Some ledger paper. The other side of the steampunky thing. So I've made it like on two sides. It's similar. So turn it up with the music. Be alert. These two things are from Victoria Designs, but they are kind of girly. But so he can change it. He can, you know, put something there, something written or a picture or whatever he wants. But they are hiding two random boy facts. I didn't do it, even when I really did. And having three boys, I can tell you, this is a fact of life. Nobody did it. You never know. Like, who did it? Nobody did it. Okay. And the other one is, nothing is really lost until your mom can't find it. This is also, I believe, very true. Although it seems lost all the time for them. I've glued this on, this paper. It's like just some random facts, some prompts for him to write. And this is the end. There are these interesting top 10 faves. So I've tried to include many prompts because I want him to use it, you know, to do something with it, not to be afraid of it. And this is a pocket at the back. This one is an older, I think, Fragmentology by Tracy Fox that I bought. And this is the end. I hope he likes it. I hope you liked it. And I'll see you soon. Bye bye.